The Monkey and the Crocodile. Once upon a time, there was a monkey who lived in a fruit tree on the bank of a river. The monkey was able to have fruits as per his heart's desire. He was happy, but something was incomplete. He didn't have any friends to talk to and to share fruits with, so he used to feel really lonely. One day, a crocodile came on the riverside. Monkey asked him if he lived in that river and if he would like to eat some fruits. The crocodile told him that he came there in search of food for himself and for his wife. The crocodile also expressed his gratitude for offering him fruit. The monkey plucked and threw some fruit to the crocodile. The crocodile found it very tasty. He thanked the monkey for it and asked if he could have fruits on his next visit too. The monkey assured that he could have as much fruits as he wished. He also asked him to visit again. The crocodile started visiting him daily. He used to eat the fruit thrown by the monkey and used to take some home for his wife as well. They both became good friends. They talked endlessly. They talked about birds and animals, about villagers and their challenges in raising good crops because of less rain. One day, the crocodile stayed longer with the monkey. His wife got angry for waiting and managing the little crocodiles all alone. The crocodile's wife asked him about his friend who was so dear to him. The crocodile told her that his friend was a nice monkey who sent fruits for her every day. The crocodile's wife expressed her desire to eat the monkey's heart. She ordered him to bring the monkey. The crocodile refused to kill his dear friend. This annoyed her much. Still, the crocodile was unwilling to invite his friend home. The crocodile's wife got very angry and she dived into the water and hid herself, leaving the children to trouble their father. The crocodile was in a difficult situation, as on one side it was his dear wife and on the other side it was his beloved friend. He finally decided to please his wife, so he invited the monkey to dinner. The monkey accepted his invitation with pleasure. The monkey told his friend that he was not a swimmer, so he rode on the crocodile's back to reach for the dinner. While taking the monkey to his home, the crocodile told him the truth about his wife's desire of eating his heart. So he said sorry to the monkey and bid him goodbye. The monkey was disturbed to hear that. Soon he realized the entire situation. He knew that his life was in danger, but he kept his cool. The monkey was very wise. He told the crocodile that he was ready to do anything for his family. He then tells him he has left his heart at the tree, so they must go back to get it. The crocodile took a turn to go back to the tree so that the monkey could take his heart. After reaching the bank of river, the monkey jumped onto the tree and felt relieved. He pulled one or two fruits and threw them down. He told the crocodile to give those fruits to his wife rather than his heart, as fresh fruits were better for health. The monkey asked him not to meet again and bid him farewell forever. Hearing that, the crocodile felt sad as he lost a dear friend. He went back home shedding tears. Like this, the crocodile lost a dear friend and a supply of sweet fruits. On the other hand, the monkey saved himself because he had thought quickly and wisely. Moral of the story: this story teaches us that staying calm and thinking can help us to get out of any situation. And secondly, it tells us that quick thinking and intelligence can beat physical strength. Like we have seen in the story, that the monkey was physically weaker than the crocodile, but still, because of his intelligence and because of staying calm, he thought of an idea to get out of that difficult situation. And finally, He saved himself. And this is what really matters in life. We are not depending on the physical strength, but how we are thinking quickly in adverse situations and how we are helping ourselves with our intelligence.